How to fix something went wrong error on PayPal. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix something went wrong error on PayPal. Well, first things first, if you're having the error, you want to check if there is any update available for the application, because mostly if your app isn't updated to the latest version, it'll cause many glitches and the errors on the app. The second thing you want to check is the servers. You want to make sure that the servers are not down. You can head into the server connections notifier websites. You can check on the websites. However, if the server is okay and if there is no any updates and that your internet connection is good as well, then what you can do is you can try and reset the application. Now you can either uninstall and reinstall the application directly, or you can simply scroll down the notification bar, tap on the settings and head into settings. Under settings you can head into apps. Once under apps you can look in for PayPal. So I'll just look in for PayPal here. So as you can see, once you open up PayPal, you want to scroll down, head into storage. Under it, first you can go ahead and try and clear cache, and if that doesn't help, you can also clear the data. However, make sure that you have backup to your account and that you can access your account again before clearing the data, because it will log you out of your account once you clear the data. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.